Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a vintage travel poster. Today we will design a retro travel poster that feels straight out of the 60s. Start with a warm pastel background. Now add a large circle or sun shape behind your main landmark. Use vector illustrations or photos with faded tones, then apply half-tone patterns for that classic print textures. Then add the city name in a bold, condensed font, overlay some grain noise for realism. Now adjust saturation slightly downward. The result, a timeless travel poster that bright vintage vibes back to the